appeal to the people of Kenya to have respect for the dead, if nothing else. People may have money, they may have power, they may have everything, but they must remember that it is very respectful to respect the dead. Please stop haunting my late brother. Don't put him. He committed no crime by working hard and leaving an inheritance for his children and entrusting his brother, Gachagua, to look after that property. Fortis Viz Group Limited is a company incorporated in 2023 by my son, Kevin. This company has not even taken off. They are still figuring out they have to come here every day to keep me company and find out what is not happening. This company has not even started. These are young people, children. Why do you want to destroy their future? By putting their names in the press with negativity because you want to destroy their father. These are innocent boys who have decided to invest in their own country. Why do you want to destroy them? You can destroy Gachagua, fair enough, he has lived for 59 years. But these boys, hardly 30 years. Why do you want to destroy them? Pioneer Medical Company Group. Why are you bringing it to Parliament? At the roundabout at Bomas on your way to Rongai. And we built this company from scratch. And it's been in existence for years. And when we stopped trading with it, we put up apartments in Kroi, in Rongai, called Rido Plaza, that are managed by this company. We collect rent. We have, I think, 40, 50. We pay tax every month. What wrong has Rido Furniture Mart done? Rido Plaza was 10 years before Gachagua became deputy president. Even if you want to kill his men and make sure he's totally destroyed, why don't you pursue him for the 2 years he has been in office? Why do you want to go back 20 years before he became deputy president and criminalize his enterprise and his hard work? Biovet Kenya Limited is a company, again, I founded in 2009. Many years before I even went to Parliament. It has not done business for the last 15 years. Not a single shred of evidence that this company has done wrong. It's not there. Murani Manufacturers Limited. It's a company that is founded by a character from our village and sold some shares to my wife and my children. This company has never traded in government. It has not done any business. It is actually dormant. I'm told the account has only have some shares in a company that has 132,000 shillings. Delta Merchants Limited is a company I founded in 2009 during the Kibaki era. It has not done business for 15 years. We demand that you say what this company has done. Wamunyoro Investments Limited is a company named after my village in Wamunyoro, which I founded in the year 2001 as a construction company. This company owns a lot of property that I bought in those years when the economy of this country was on sound footing. Since I became deputy president, we ceased all activities of this company. It has not done a single transaction with anybody. The company is dormant, but it owns property. Those properties were bought and acquired long before I became deputy president. Cosmea Venture Limited is a company that was incorporated in 2018 before I became deputy president by my sons. They do what you call bulk SMS. I used to give them work when I was member of parliament to send messages to my constituents. I think they were charging me 30 cents per SMS. Some young, enterprising young people. Company 2018, it doesn't do business with government. It is not accused of any wrongdoing by anybody, anywhere. It's just name there. Royal Crimson Ventures operated in 2018 by my children to do their little business. No allegation of any wrongdoing. Annexed to the motion. Treetop Properties Limited, again, the Vipingo Hotel. No details of any accusation, any wrongdoing, nothing. Cristo Kenya Limited, this company I gave out my shares to and myself and my wife, we got out and asked them to continue doing business. My two children, like their father, very enterprising. Nyeri County, where I come from, we were hit badly by COVID, and all our hotels shut down. Hundreds of jobs were lost. Many people who were supplying to those hotels shut down. The two hotel was for sale, and my children were in. Treetop's hotel cannot be sold. It belongs to KWS. It's a government. And the person who owned Outspan Hotel had also leased the Treetop's Hotel. Got an assignment of the lease, so they don't own Treetop's Hotel. AWS to Abadea Safari, then an easement to Cristo Kenya. That about Cristo Kenya Limited and my children, because they are not part of this proceeding. But they have no other forum to defend themselves, so I have to defend them. They are grown-ups. They should defend themselves, but they don't have the forum. They went to a bank and borrowed 600 million. The documents are there. And bought a hotel and bought the lease. And I publicly announced that my family has acquired the 2 hotels because there was nothing to hide. I saw no need to advise my children, like other people do, to buy the properties through proxy because this was straight business. They went and borrowed 600 million from the bank. And they were given 1-year moratorium, which is not over, to do the renovations and all that and open the facility. But I want to thank my son, Dr. Keith Regadi. He worked very hard. That I think last month or so, I was at the Treetops with the British High Commissioner to open the Treetops. It's important to the people of Nyeri and the system. It is in the Treetops Hotel that Princess Elizabeth slept. And when that facility was shut down, it was very devastating to the people of Nyeri and the Abadia ecosystem. So when the people of Nyeri heard that the son of the deputy president is interested in leasing that facility from KWS and reopen it, there was joy and ululation in the Abadias. Since this hotel opened, 45 Kenyans are back to work. The vegetables to that hotel. The local butchers are supplying me to that hotel. Come every weekend to entertain the tourists. The tourism circuit of the Abadea is back. Are now being demonized as crooks, as criminals who should not invest in their own motherland because the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya spends a lot of time in one of his functions that he has been given by the President to coordinate development partners and look for investors. Why should the Deputy President go to look for foreign investors when his own children can invest at home? Children of many other people I know hide their money in Dubai and Cayman Islands. They don't want to invest here. What crime have the children of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya committed by borrowing money from a bank? These boys are so demoralized, asking me, Dad, why didn't you advise us? Didn't invest in our own country. And if we dare to invest, we should. Are we criminals by virtue of being your children? That's a question my children are asking me. What crime can children of Kenya commit? Borrow money from a bank and start an enterprise and employ people. How unfair can a country be to its young population to condemn them? I'm making $1 million shillings or so every